Hello guys, I am driving out of a subdivision, one of the more exclusive ones in Wilmington, North Carolina, called Landfall. A customer of mine had called me and asked me to put up a Wi-Fi stat that he had bought. Just not a big job, but I'd never used one of the Emerson Sensei thermostats, so I was kind of curious. But it was actually really nice and really easy to use. In fact, I told him it was so easy that in fact he could have probably wired it up himself. Because it gives you instructions. You go to your phone and the application will tell you where the wires go, and it was correct, so I mean there wasn't any issue there. He had some uncertainty because like every other stat there's a couple designations that you don't need, and the homeowner's always thinking, do I actually need wires on these, like the Y2 and the L. So, but what I wanted to tell you guys is that tomorrow morning I'll be driving up to a place called Sneed's Ferry, North Carolina. Years ago I did a how to install a zone system video at this house. I've repaired the carrier unit at this house on a couple of occasions and installed an Amana system in the top floor, 15 SEER, an ASZ14, and AVPTC, I can't remember, 1830 I think is what it was. Well, I put a variable frequency drive on the blower for the carrier system in order to control humidity a little bit better, since we could program the parameters of what we wanted it to do as far as a delta T from coil to return. And I set it up and it's been running for a few days. I'm going to revisit so we can do a little bit of investigation on why we use that sort of thing. It's kind of a atypical product in the residential market, but I thought it'd be a great video to make. So we're going to go over how it's wired, what I did, because it's also hooked to a zone panel. And another video might be just going over zone system controls, because I had a couple guys talk to me about not understanding how to wire in zone controls, so we can get into that as well. So I will be going up there to film tomorrow, and as soon as I get that video finished I'll post it up.